In this video, I'm going to show you how to purchase a Bed Bath & Beyond gift card. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up a web browser and head on over to Bed Bath & Beyond.com. And now once you're at Bed Bath & Beyond official website, we need to navigate to the bottom of the page, and then we'll see an option in the footer of the website. So under my account, we've got gift cards. So go ahead and click onto gift cards, and then it'll say give the gift of Beyond. So shop it gift cards. And now I'm going to sign into Bed Bath & Beyond. So if you haven't signed in, go ahead and sign in. So I'm just going to use my Google account. All right, now I'm signed in. And now from here, we need to purchase a gift card. So we've got two options. We can purchase a e-gift card, or we can purchase a physical gift card. So depending what you want to purchase, just click on the box. So I'm going to do a e-gift card. And then I can personalize the e-gift card here as well. So I'm going to choose email to recipient and the amount. So below that, I can got a few different options from $10 to $1,000. So I'm just going to make this $100. Who is receiving the gift card? If I'm going to send it to myself, I'm going to put in Tutorial Wiz. Put in the recipient's email. So I'm going to put in tutorialwiz23@gmail. And then you can also include a special message. So write something in here. And then it will say who is sending this gift. So put in your name. And then you got to click on the two. I've read and agreed to the Bed Bath & Beyond terms and conditions. Notify me when the gift card is received. And then go ahead and click on add to cart. Now this is going to add this to your cart. And this is it. Take you to the checkout section. So just a double check that everything looks good. Looks like you can, if you want to change the amount, you can change it here quickly before you make the purchase. And then yeah, you can click on checkout here, or you can check out a PayPal and then continue on with your purchasing by adding in your credit card or debit card details to complete your purchase.